In a recent video, I talked about some Florida markets I'd be cautious about investing in right now. Today, let's flip that around. If I were investing in Florida in 2026, where would I focus my attention? Well, I'm going to share several markets that I believe offer some of the best combinations of growth potential, rental demand, affordability, and long-term opportunity. My name is Beverly Grace with Grace Realty and Property Management. As both a broker and investor, I look for more than just appreciation. I want strong fundamentals, growing demand, and markets where the numbers still make sense. Let's take a look at some areas that have my attention right now. First on my list is Port Richey. Over the last several years, downtown redevelopment, new businesses, waterfront improvements, and growing buyer interest have helped transform this area. Compared to many parts of Pinellas County, prices remain relatively affordable. For investors seeking long-term appreciation potential and solid rental demand, Port Richey continues to be very attractive. Next on my list is Palmetto. Located just north of Bradenton, Palmetto has benefited from regional growth while remaining more affordable than many neighboring coastal communities. I like Palmetto because it offers waterfront access, ongoing development, improving amenities, and room for future appreciation. This is a market I believe many investors still overlook. Another area that interests me is selected neighborhoods in St. Petersburg. Not necessarily the already expensive waterfront areas, but neighborhoods experiencing revitalization and infrastructure investment. St. Petersburg continues attracting new residents, businesses, and redevelopment dollars. For investors who choose carefully, there still may be opportunities to buy before values fully catch up. South Hillsborough County continues seeing strong population growth. Areas around Wamama, Riverview, and surrounding communities have benefited from new residential development, retail expansion, infrastructure improvements, and growing employment opportunities. For investors looking at long-term rental demand, these markets deserve attention. Finally, I still see opportunities in portions of Largo and Seminole. Many buyers focus only on beachfront or waterfront communities, but there are established neighborhoods offering strong rental demand, excellent central locations, proximity to beaches, and lower acquisition costs than some neighboring markets. For investors seeking stability rather than speculation, these areas can be very appealing. When I evaluate investment opportunities, I look for a few key factors: population growth, job growth, infrastructure investment, rental demand, relative affordability. The markets that consistently perform well over time usually have these fundamentals working in their favor. Remember, successful investing isn't about finding a magic zip code. It's about buying the right property in a market with strong long-term fundamentals. If you're considering investing in the Tampa Bay area and would like help evaluating opportunities, I'd be happy to help you analyze the numbers and identify markets that fit your goals. Thanks for watching and have a great day.